talk about this new world that we're entering. And I want to make an important point, and I want you to, and let all the audience know, is that a lot of people are confused and they think, oh, this is a real barrier to entry as well, too, in acceptance, is they say, fiat currency is here to stay and it's not going to be collapsing. And they think in very extreme ways, and they think it's either Bitcoin or fiat. And I think that an important point to make is that they can coexist, and that I know your IBEX Pay converts to fiat. So it's not just that you have to be solely in Bitcoin. Bitcoin and fiat can coexist. So could you please tell us about that point for everyone to understand?
Yeah. So what's really interesting is that, at least in the Lightning Network, because we have that finality of settlement of transactions, we're able to immediately convert the value that's being delivered over the Lightning Network into fiat. And to your point about them coexisting, I think I would take it one step further. It's not just about coexisting. I think that either, I don't care, like, it's not, it depends on how you want to look at it, but you could say that fiat is going to use Lightning so that it can move faster globally, or you can say Lightning is going to use fiat to gain adoption. But those two things are going to merge together, and that's where I firmly believe we're going, because we do need a better payments technology, or a better settlement technology. I think that's key to understand here, that when you're using Lightning as a settlement technology, you don't really care what asset is on either end. And you can go from dollars to Mexican pesos to British pounds to euros to Japanese yen. You don't care what's moving at the endpoints. You're just leveraging this hyper efficient network to really move that money around as fast as possible. And that velocity of money is going to be super impactful for global commerce.